I'm Rick Gessler, VP of Engineering with Delkor Systems, and I'm here with the latest batch of Trayfecta formers produced on our production line. In this video, I'm going to share with you why Delkor's Trayfecta formers and closers are our top-selling machines. Whereas most case erectors utilize a pre-glued blank for the cases, Delkor's Trayfecta formers utilize a flat blank to create the most cost-effective shippers possible. The flat blank approach typically saves 10 to 20% on packaging materials, and in some cases, such as hand set-up club store-style stackable trays or hand set-up display cases, the savings can be significantly higher. These savings, combined with Delkor's patented case forming technology that enables one machine with a 3-minute changeover to create all three major types of packaging, from stackable club store style trays to standard brown box shippers to Delkor's own Cabrio Case shelf-ready display package, has driven sales of Trayfecta formers and closers to nearly 200 machines per year. To support this volume, Delkor has built 2 production lines in our 300,000 square foot campus near Minneapolis, Minnesota. By utilizing standardized work instructions, assembly fixtures, pre-built electrical panels, and stock assemblies, Delkor's approach to lean manufacturing ensures that we deliver higher quality machines with faster lead times. Delkor minimizes supply chain risk for our builds through the use of our advanced machining center that produces nearly 80% of the parts used in our equipment. Also, with our recent recognition as Rockwell's OEM of the Year, not only from our incredible growth, but also for our ability to manage supply chain and inventory, Delkor ensures that our customers receive their machines on time. If you'd like to learn more about Delkor's Trayfecta formers and closers, or about our full line of advanced robotic case packing equipment, visit us online at delkorsystems.com or give your sales manager a call.